Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn how we can represent the solution of linear inequalities on a number line. For example, I want to represent x less than or equal to -2 on the number line. I would first need to start with some markings on the number line. So for example, I could start with -2. To the left of -2, I will have -3, -4, and -5. To the right of -2, I will have -1, 0, and 1. Alright, so these points should be equally spaced out. So for x to be less than or equal to -2, how I represent this is I would use a closed circle or a shaded circle at -2 to show that x can be equal to -2, and since I want it to be less than or equal to -2, I would need to draw a line that it points to the left of -2, right, to show that it is less than -2, and I use an arrow to show that it can include other values that are beyond -5. So this is how I represent x less than or equal to -2 on the number line. Let's try another example. Supposing I want to represent x greater than half on the number line. So what I can do now is I can start with, let's say, 0 on my number line, followed by 1, 2, 3 to the right, and -1, -2, -3 to the left. Now for x to be greater than half, I will need to locate the position of half first, which should be exactly in between 0 and 1. Write a half there to indicate that that point is at half. And then since I want it to be greater than half, which means that I need to show that it cannot be exactly half. So what I will do is I will use an unshaded circle to represent that x cannot be half, and x will be anything that is greater than half. So it will point to the right of half, right, and there I will draw that line to represent it. So that's how you represent inequalities on a number line.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more Ninja level math videos.